welcome back to my channel, Limitlessbwl. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of Huda beauty products which can be found at Sephora. And that being said, I'm super excited to announce that I am working on this video with Sephora. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I absolutely love Huda Beauty's products. Not only do I love her products, but I also find her such a big inspiration as well. As you guys may have known, she started this whole line with just her family and just lashes and grew it into this huge empire. That being said, I don't only like her products because they're really inclusive in terms of the shades and all that stuff that she has in her line, but also because it's super innovative, and I just think it's so fun for artists because they play with so many different colors, so many different textures and all that stuff, like even her matte and metal shadows and stuff. I just absolutely love it. That being said, I'm going to be doing a full face of her products today, so I'm super excited. I know I'm going to have so much fun because, again, I know I love everything. Before we get right into it, I just want to let you guys know that the star of today's video is going to be her new Eyeliner. So I'm so excited to be using this. I've already tried it several times and I love it. And when I tell you guys that this does not move once you apply it, I mean it. And you guys always ask me to do tutorials with eyeliner, so today is going to be your day. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to go in with is their Full Filter Foundation in the shade Mocha. It's one of my absolute favorite foundations. I'm going to say this every time because you guys know I literally love her products. So we're just going to go ahead and apply it. I love this because it's full coverage and the color is also beautiful on my skin tone. Blending it out. This is one of my current foundations that just really covers any blemishes I have right away. So it looks a little warm on me on camera, but like this, it doesn't look that warm. Plus, once it settles into my skin, it usually matches me perfectly. So as you guys can see, the difference with the foundation, it's amazing. I love it. Okay guys, so now that we did that, we're gonna go ahead and use the Overachiever concealer in the shade Salted Caramel. Yep, so let's go ahead and apply that. I know that this kind of sits on your face really well, so let's make sure to blend it out right away so it's easy. And then of course we're going to use one of my absolute favorite products ever, the Huda Beauty Easy Big Powder in the shade Kunafa. You always want to press up with your with your powder to really set any fine lines that you have. This is one of my first times using this concealer. I've tested it out before. This is my first time actually using it. I really like how it's sitting under my eye. Makes it look super flawless. So let's go ahead and dust off that powder. And now we're going to go ahead with the Huda Beauty Tantour, and I am going to use the shade Rich. So again, I am going to be using this to contour and just taking her brush to her face sculpt and shade brush. I'm going to use this side right here, and I know a little bit goes a long way, so we're just going to put a little bit, and if we need more, we'll go ahead and add more. You guys can tell this blends out nice and easy. When you contour your forehead, especially with cream, you can just brush it right into the hairline to get rid of any harsh lines. Next up, we're going to go ahead and just bake right under to clean up that contour. I like to just curve it a little bit too because it just makes my cheekbones look like you guys knew what that meant, right? I don't. It just makes it look a little bit more rounded. And I love to set my smile lines with this powder as well. So now it's time for blush, and I'm actually going to be using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette for my eyes today. So I'm just going to go ahead with this nice burnt orange shade for blush as well. It's a beautiful color. For the highlight, I'm going to be using none other than the Huda Beauty Desert Dust 3D Highlight Palette in the bronze edition, and I'm going to be using the shade Barbados. As you guys can see, I've used this palette. So I usually put this and then put Man's Eyes right on top of it. guys, so now we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. We're just gonna go for a really quick and easy glam neutral look. So we're gonna go ahead with this brown shade right here and really build it up in the crease. And now I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with this burnt orange shade and mixing it in with this one as well. Going in with the brown again and just doing the usual and just filling just a little bit of the outer corner, just very little bit. And then we're going to go in with this beautiful rose gold shade and we're just going to go ahead and apply it onto the lid. Final step with the eyeshadow is just going back in with that brown and just blending it all out. So there we have it, guys. This is my favorite Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. So I thought I would just do a really quick and easy, soft, glam kind of eye look for you guys. And next, we're finally going to go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Lifeliner. So let's go ahead and do a wing. So this does come with the pencil on one side. Then we have the liquid on the other side. So let's go ahead and just take all the excess product off just like that. What I like to do is literally just draw a line going towards the end of your brow. Just like that. And then we're going to go not all the way to the end of the wing, but kind of leaving just the tip of it bare and taking it from right about there and connecting it back to the eye. We're just going to go ahead and fill this whole area in. So as you guys can see, I haven't dipped back in even once and it's still super pigmented. So now that we have the super sharp wing, we're just going to go ahead and line our eyelid just like that. This is the easy part. So just go a little bit at a time because it's always easier to add more than it is to take away. I've still yet to dip my brush in again, by the way. Okay guys, so there's one eye done. I'm just going to quickly go ahead and do the other eye and I will be right back. The liquid formula is so amazing, by the way. I can't stress it enough. It's super black and a little bit goes a long way, but it's not watery. So if you're someone who has a hard time with your liner and it just kind of creases and moves everywhere, I would highly recommend you guys trying this one out. I think it's probably one of my favorite eyeliner formulas ever. So now we're going to go ahead and use the pencil side and just quickly tight line. And then I'm going to do the bottom line as well because we're just going to smoke out our eyes just a little bit. Just going to go ahead with a little bit of this brown eyeshadow and just put it right under my lash line, my bottom line right here. So now we're almost done. So we're going to go ahead with these hoodie lashes, which is so beautiful and wispy. I just put some lash glue on and I'm just waiting for it to dry. Just waiting patiently for it to dry. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. Just like that. Okay guys, so I just have the lashes on. As you guys can tell, super fluttery. Honestly, it's not even that obvious on camera, but it's super duper fluttery. This one is still drying, hence why still a little bit white. But with that being said, let's go ahead and do our lip while it's drying. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly line my lips and then we're gonna go ahead and put on the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Interview. I absolutely love this. It's a beautiful nude. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I love how it turned out. It's just like a really soft glam look paired up with a bold liner. So again, my thoughts on this liner is that it is amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm not just saying it, the quality of it is so nice, and as you can see, I'm obviously somewhat of a darker complexion and it's super black on me, even on top of the glittery eyeshadow. Super duper black and really really easy to use. If you're someone who has hard time with liquid liner, I would definitely suggest you try this one out. I hope you guys enjoyed this full face of Huda Beauty products video, and thank you again to Sephora for partnering with me on this video. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys like this one, please make sure to click that thumbs up button and maybe even subscribe